And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simply remove flagged for review message on Instagram and what is the true meaning of Instagram followers flagged for review. So if you open your Instagram and go to any followers and find the message called flagged for review on Instagram, this means that Instagram's automated system has identified some of your followers as potentially suspicious, like a spam or a bot account. So you can simply remove these flagged followers from your account to improve your followers' quality. So meaning for or flagged for review means that Instagram has initially uses algorithms to detect accounts that might be fake, spam, or engaging in suspicious activities like mass following or liking. These flagged accounts are separated in the flagged for review option. So once you tap on flagged, you can find such accounts. So if it is here, then you can simply tap on followers and you will see them flagged. So simply tap on remove next to the account you want to remove. You can also select remove all to remove all your flagged followers. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.